I borrow mine, Mommy?
It's real Sardinian bread, look. Crostadas.
It's crunchy, yes, you.
This one is 74. Much better.
Wow, this is the sheep intestines, Lucas. This is sheep intestines. A traditional Sardinian food.
What is the intestines?
It's the stomach inside the little, you know, the stomach.
Yeah.
That is it. This is polpo. This is the octopus. It is in season now.
They died the
Thank you.
Thank you.
Leave that until you finish your dinner.
What is that for?
You've been tearing that all the time.
Sour.
Look. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. Look at the seasonal foods. Lovely mussels, king prawns, shrimps, octopus, the local catch.
This is for you to choose this.
Lemon.
That's a cheesecake, Sardinian style. Lemon. Oh, so bad, so beta. Oh, it's been shaked and shaked.
Say please because it's too spicy.